Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Garmin Fenix 8. First, ensure your new watch is fully charged to 100%. Next, download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone from your app store. Once charged, power on your Fenix 8 and select your desired language from the initial setup menu. This gets us ready for the next steps. Now, open the Garmin Connect app on your phone and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your Fenix 8. You'll then enter your personal details, such as your height, weight, and daily activity level, which helps with accurate tracking. Take a moment to personalize your watch face and data fields to display the information most important to you. Next, let's fine-tune some essential settings. Adjust your notification preferences so you receive alerts for calls, texts, and other apps directly on your wrist. Set up specific activity profiles for your favorite sports, like running or cycling, to track your workouts accurately. Don't forget to explore the robust health tracking features, including heart rate and sleep monitoring. To keep your Fenix 8 running smoothly, sync it regularly with the Garmin Connect app for data uploads and software updates. Dive into the Connect IQ store to discover a wide range of additional apps, widgets, and watch faces to enhance your experience. For great deals on Garmin and related products, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.